o 6. Ang aga talaga nitong dalawa. Dapat kasi palabasin. Magsuot muna ako ng ano. Socks. Tignan niya itong dalawa. Stretching. It smells so good, Misty. You smell so good. You smell so good. Okay, let's go down. Behave kayo dun, ha? So, good morning guys. Ang naobserbahan ko kay Misty, kapag bumaba, magwiwi agad. Itong si Roxy, isurvey pa niya lahat yung area doon sa mga sa fence. Kailangan pa niya isurvey lahat bago magwiwi. Yun ang naobserbahan ko kay Roxy. At saka ulan, itong ulan kagabi pa to. Mahina lang siya guys, pero kagabi pa to ba? It means it's possible na may pagka-ice yung mga daan ngayon kasi maginaw sa labas at saka ulan. You won't let me edit video. It's so clingy. It's so clingy, my baby. Yes. Oh my God. Magpa-baby pa, guys. So, tingnan nyo, guys. Nagpahiga-higa na upside down, oy. Nagpa-baby-baby pa man. Ligo tayo ngayon, ha? Ligo ka ngayon, ha? Pumanya, naulaw ka, no? Naulaw. Naulaw. Nahihiya tuloy daw siya. Nahihiya. Tignan niyo yung mata niya. Nahihiya. Oh, nahihiya, baby. Oh, nahihiya ka, baby. Nahiya si baby. Walang hiya ka naman, Rox. Ganyan ka naman, Rox. Wala ka naman talagang hiya, Rox. Diba, Rox? Wala ka naman talagang hiya. Itosh, magganahan. Lagi dahil nagpamanya-manya. Ganahan. Kaya na siya gingon, ani, guys. He likes it when it's like this all the time. It's really soft. It smells so good na, baby. It smells so good and really soft na. Roxy, hindi naman si Roxy mabaho, guys. Kaya, pinahuli ko na itong si Roxy. Kasi, itong si Roxy talagang walang baho, guys. Yung ano niya, yung may pagka-dugi-dugi smell, pero hindi katulad ni Misty. Pero si Roxy, lagyan mo lang ng spray na pang, yung, like, waterless shampoo. Mabango siya hanggang ilang buwan. Si Roxy, kasi sa hair kasi niya sobrang soft. So, kaya yung hair niya is like, hindi mabaho. Itong si Roxy, mahumot pa rin, mahumot. Maulan sa labas, guys. It's raining. Oh my God. And it's so foggy, guys. Tignan nyo naman, guys. It's so foggy outside, guys. Tignan nyo naman, guys. Doon foggy. Gusto ko pa naman sanang lumabas, guys. Kaso ulan. Tignan nyo, umuulan, guys. Si Roxy andun. Ano na yung siya? Andun siya ay kumakain ng buto. Bahambaghan. Hambagbag. Bahab. Bahabhab. Galing ako taas, nagka-curl, pero hindi ko na-start yung mag-film kasi plano kong mag-film. Ano ng oras? 11:56. Plano kong mag-film kaso, while I was curling my hair, yung asawa ko tumawag. So, hanggang nagutom kasi natagal kaming nag-usap. Palagi naman lang matagal. Punta mama sa taas, ha? You're so clean naman na, baby. You're so clean, baby. Yes, you're so clean, baby. Hello, Rox. Hello, baby. Miti character, Rox. Who's my babies? Who's my babies? Hi, guys. Katatapos ko lang guys, film. Sinuot ko kanina. Binalik ko, guys. Kasi sobrang ginaw dito, guys. As in, maulan na panahon. Baka ikaw rin at ako, nakatibok ng puso ko'y ikaw, tibok ng puso mo. Wag gimaw. I-open ko ito. Open. Cereal, guys. Hindi. Tinatry ko ito. Ayaw ko, pero kung mga bata ito, guys, kung sa Pilipinas pa, kung sa Pilipinas ito, babata, Magugustuhan nila ito. It's kind of marshmallowy. It's good. Eating it without milk, it's good. It's a good snack. Hello. Hi. Busy, baby?
I'm the only one here.
You're the only it? Hindi ko mapapaliguan si Roxy kasi paliguan ko na lang si Roxy pag may time. Tingnan nyo ito, oh. Oh, na-addict na sa dry food or sa treats. Na-addict ka na. Umiyak-iyak pa. May paiyak-iyak pa ito. Tignan mo. May paiyak-iyak ka pa. Hambag. Hambag. Bahambag. Gustong-gusto ni Tami yung bahambag na shirt para sa Christmas. Tignan niyo ito, guys.
So hurry and save big on America's best-selling brand. It's the final 4-year end sales event with 0%.
Anong gusto ng Roxy ko? Roxy. Come di mama kiss Roxy. I love you. I love mo na baby ni mama. I do. So, hindi umalis dyan. Kanina pa yan dyan. Tingin ang tingin sa akin. Kakaiba talaga tong pusang to. Tignan mo, punta na dito. Magrarab na yan dito. Yun. Gutom ka pa rin? Chung! Habs, you are something, Habs. Tingnan mo. Sleepy di ay ka, oy. Taka ramang ka, oy. Sleepy man di ka. Naku, hindi ako malaka. Excited lagi ba basta mukuan ko? Basta magsaba-saba na gani ko, excited na din si Roxy. Right, Rox? Excited na baby ni mama, oy. Oh. Dakidak-dak. Oh. Gutom ang mga yan, guys. Gutom. Nagre-ready lang ako sa mga pagkain nila. Ayan. Dibalot! Come here! Dibalot! Come here, right here. Gutom, mama. Baby's gutom. Dibalot, come here, Dibs. Do you want some? Do you want some, Dibs? It might be full of matang tinamoy. Oh, yoy. Habs up! No, not my thing, Habs. Roxy! Habs! No, I told you not to do that. Huwag kagahi kayo ulo. Come here, Rox. Gutom itong mga to. Gutom. Where's Misty? Habs, that's not yours. Habsy bag. Habs! Come here, bag. Come. Gutom ang mga kigwahon. Ito ang nangyayari pag gutom sila. Misty, andito, oh. Gutom itong mga to. Asan si Dimple Arts? Where's Dimple Arts? Dimple Arts! Okay, let's get this one. Come. Gutom. Yung dalawa kong pusa, guys, yung pinakagutom talaga. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit. Lalo na yung si Habs. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan ito talaga. Dito yung dalawa. Tignan natin. Oh my God, natapos talaga, guys. Tinapos niya yung canned food na binigay ko. Gustong-gusto talaga niya yun, guys. Hala, gutom talaga. Kawawa naman itits. Oh, hala, tinapos talaga niyo yung wheat food, yung canned food. Hala, si Dimples, nagtimi-timi. Tignan niyo. Hindi kumain. Tinitignan lang yung sister ni, brother niya. Hala, itong si Habs gutom talaga, guys. Kanina pa yan, guys. Hala, si Dimples, patay, hindi kumain. Kainin niya ni Habs later on. Hala, gutom talaga itong isa, guys. Tinitignan lang yan yung brother niya. Gutom talaga. Itong si Roxy tapos na. Nagdila na. Grabe, bantogra. That's why he is really acting up like hungry freaking bug. Look, kinain niya lahat, guys. Kainin mo na yan, Debs. Kainin niya ni Habs. Habs will eat it. Go eat it now. I think Dimple said my brother is so hungry. I'm just gonna leave it for him. Iniwan niya yan. Tinitignan lang yun yung kapatid niya. Hala, ay, kawawa naman itong bag-tibag ko. Ay, gutom pala ikaw, bag. Hala, may plano yan, may plano. Hala, hala, tignan niyo, guys. Hala, hala. Hala, Dimples. Hala, what happened to Habs? Hala, gutom. Dimples, look what happened. Hala ka, Dimples. Ay, kawawa naman itong si Dimples, oy. Ay, kinain din nila yung sa kanila. Which is a good girl. Kinain ninyong sa inyo. Good girl, baby. Ay, naku, maulan na gabi. Maulan na hapon. Alas 5 na, guys. 37 degree. Nagluluto ako, guys, ng mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Especially yung mushrooms na puti na kumakapit sa kahoy. Yun. This is a bila mushroom. So na, guys, tapos na siya, guys. Finally, hold on. Sarap talaga ng mushrooms, eh. Maraming garlic. Na-test mo yung garlic na na-fry talaga. Lubat na ako, guys. Tapusin ko na lang yung battery. Ang aga ko ngayon kumain. 5:10 ng hapon gabi. Hindi ang aga. Okay lang yan. Tawagan ko muna yung family ko pala. Tulog paghapon sa Inday. Tulog paghapon ka. Tawag ko gahapon. Tulog gahapon ka. Mata na. Kinsay uban ninyo diha? Balita ko sa kasal. Unsa man po yung mga regalo, mga plato. Daghan dai sila ninang. Unyo unsa pa may lingaw dito sa kasal. Asa man sila andito ako sa taas. Kasi may natanggap akong giftsy. Anyway, package. Unboxing tayo, guys. Cheer din, pinadalhan din ako ng Beth every Christmas na lang. Beth, you don't... Okay, ito yung sasabihin ko. Beth, you don't have to. Kung sa Bisaya pa, ikaw, dili, kailangan, ano bang to? You don't have to. Hindi na kailangan, Beth. Excited lang ako, Beth. Na-excited ako. Every time matanggap ako ng mga small things from my friends, which is I really do appreciate because the thought that counts, you know. Ito siya, guys. So, yeah. She is one of my best friend because I don't really have a best friend, guys. Wala talaga akong best friend. So, ang iniisip ko na lang is si Beth. Kasi siya talaga yung makausap ko. Makalukuhan ko sa mga text. Oh my God. Huwag tayong mag-injak-injak dito, eh. So, I will have to open this. I really do appreciate it. Peter, thank you. You don't really have to, pero excited ako bit, eh. Ano ba, eh? Ito naman talaga yung feeling ko ba? Yung feeling ko, excited. Thank you. Thank you. Ang babait ni mo, bit. Thank you. Oh, nindot, dinisit bit, ug agi. All the... walang picture. Bit, bakit walang picture sa mga bata? Nagre-reklamo. Nagre-reklamo kasi, guys. Every time. Okay, ito na. Kasi, guys, sinabi ko na, siya lang yung kaibigan ko na talagang kaibigan na kaibigan ko. So, every year, nag-expect talaga ako sa picture. Oh my God, indutag agi ni mo, Beth. Oh, it's really, I really like your penmanship. I really like your agi, Beth. Christmas card kasi nila, guys. Kinikip ko. So, I kept the Christmas cards and stuff like that. And one of the cards, you know, alam nyo ba kung sino yung nasa wallet ko? Si Nikolai at saka yung kasal namin, guys, ng asawa ko, picture namin. So, kinikip ko yung mga cards ko from her. Kasi I treasure, kasi tinitreasure ko to. May narinig na naman ako. Gumaganon. Wala ka. Binuang man mo daw. Ay, magbinuang ba? Ako raman isa diri, guys. I'm alone. Well, which the dog is quiet right now, but I heard. Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel from Sephora. Thank you, Beth. At saka meron pang isa, guys. Ang cute naman ito. Ano to? Paano to i-open? I have to get rid of this thing that I can open it. Hold on. Wala siyang shade. Bakit ba? Not for sale. Okay. I like it. Shiny. Another package from Beth. Ooh, my gulay. I love it. Thank you. Naanak ko dress pa sulod sa balay. From Forever 21, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Ang sexy talaga nito. Nice. Like, look at that. It says Merry Christmas. Yes. Alam nyo, yung paborito ko is milk. Milk talaga. Alam ka, oy, milk talaga, guys. As in, hala, ba't alam ito ni Beth? Thank you, Pete. Isa na ito sa pinaka-paborito ko at palagi ko na siyang ginagamit dahil, I don't know, it smells good. And after using this one, guys, my face feels so clean. That I don't know, because it's kind of like, it's rough, it's kind of like sandy, feels like, iwan ko, basta sobrang sarap, as in, it smells good. Freeman Feeling Beautiful Polishing Charcoal plus Black Sugar. And it's not really expensive, it's almost $4, which is big, and it's not really crazy expensive. Ito yung ginagamit ko noon, and hindi ko na siya ginagamit palagi, pero I still use it once sometimes. Tignan nyo. Matagal na ito sa akin, pero tignan nyo. And this is the Pore Original Pack Calming and Cooling Effect Callion. Look, ipakita ko sa inyo kasi kinuha ko ito siya, guys, dahil may rason. When I was watching Michelle Fan, ito yung ginagamit niya. So, and nire-review niya. So, ito yung ginagamit niya. So, I decided why not. It's kind of pricey. I think it's $20-something. But I decided to get it anyway because Michelle Fan. I love Michelle Fan. Tignan nyo ito si Roxy, guys. You smell things? Sinisimot-simot niya tong ano ko. Tataka kayo sa mukha ni Mama, right? Misty, no likin. No likin. Smelling only. Smells only. Smells. Smells only. Smells. Smell only, okay? You can smell Mama's face, and that's all. Ignoring me, baby. You're ignoring me. I love you. I do love you. I miss. Ito, tingnan nyo. Super clean si Misty. Super clean. Yes, super clean. Si Roxy din. Bukas na tayo mag-shaw-shaw, ha? Or Monday, ha? Or, I don't know. You're okay naman. You're okay. Si ano lang, si Misty. Kailangan talaga ni Misty, guys. As in. Itong si Misty, kakaiba yung amoy.
Merci, Mom and Dad.
How much internet speed using more Spectrum Business has you covered because we have the just $44.99 per month.
It's 7:53 na ng gabi at nanonood lang ako ng movie. And anyway guys, hala! Why you react that way? So anyway guys, so i-end ko na itong video at saka si Roxy andun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be right back and then I will go out and then Dada will be coming here and then they want some treaties and so night. Yung ulo ni Roxy. Anyway guys, I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow guys. Bye. Good night guys. Merry Christmas belated.
I know. There's a word for that. My heart hurt for so long that I
love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
My heart.
Kasi pag may gustong pumasok, kung may mga